Python turtle random walk within a boundary. I want to create a program using the turtle that makes 50 moves in a random direction for a random distance, staying within -300 to 300 on the x and y axis, by turning in the opposite direction and moving forward when it reaches the boundary. The code runs fine when the if statement is true, but occasionally when the else statement is executed, due to exceeding the boundaries, the else statement will execute again and again until the count reaches 50. In other words, it goes backwards and forwards along the same line. I don't understand why, because when the turtle bounces off it should then be within the boundary and run the if statement again, not the else statement. How can I fix this so that the turtle continues its random walk after bouncing? Thanks. My code is shown below.
In the if statement, you should first turn, then go forward. Suppose you are at 0,299, and the turtle is facing up. You will go forward, let's say 100, then turn, let's say left. You will then be at 0,399, facing left. You will then go in the else loop, by going right/300, so it will be at 399, so still out of bound. Note that forward 300 might be a little too much too. If you first turn, then go forward, you will really make a U-turn. But once again, 300 might be too much. I would rather save the previous distance with something like
Did you try switching the turtle.forward random.randint 30100 and turtle.right random.randint 0,360 in the if statement, the other way around? It feels like that you are walking out of bound, then turning. Then it goes to the else, and it turns again, and walking further into out of bounds territory.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.